Hey friends and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix update KB5072033 not installing error code 0x800f0983 or 0x80070306 in Windows level. In this video seeing before we begin, like and comment this video and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. Now follow the all steps one by one, follow to this problem fix it. Then let's go ahead. First step, services. So go to your Windows search bar and type services. Now you click on it and open. Now scroll down and find Windows Update. Just select and right click on the Windows Update. Then go to the click on the properties. Then here if there is service status is stopped, just start button click here to change it. After that close the services, hit the apply and OK button click here to close the services. Then come to back, recheck the Windows Update again. If this try to still not working, then go to the next step. Next step, command promote. So for that, go to the Windows search bar and type cmd. Then right click on the command promote. Then choose the run as administrator. Now type the following commands on one by one. These commands are all provided in this video description. Then copy to paste. Use it now. Type first command ipconfig. Give the space slash flushdns. Just like and hit the enter. The next command type Netsh insect. Give the space reset. Like hit the enter. The next command Netsh into IP reset, hit the enter, and finally exit. Then go to the start menu, click on the power button, choose the restart button, click here to restart your system. After that, your problem fix it. If this try to still not working, then go to the next step, troubleshoot Windows update. So go to the Windows search bar and type settings. Open the settings and go to the your system. Then scroll down, find troubleshoot. Click on the other troubleshooter. Find Windows update. Click on the run. Wait for the process to completely. This is will automatically detected and fix update related issues. Then click on the I cannot download, install and uninstall or update. Okay, now automatically diagnostic yes. Then close it, come to back. Then if this try to does not working, then go to the next step. Update files delete. So go to the Windows search bar, go to the desktop, then click on the file explorer and go to C driver, double tap to open it, then scroll down, find Windows folder, click to open, then scroll down and click on the software distribution, then selected all folders inside, then right click, click on the delete. Once you delete all to the folder, after that come to back. After deleting, restart your PC, then refresh the update system, then your problem fix it. Finally go to the Windows update. Then click to check your problem, fix it. If you have any doubt, comment section go to comment, I give the answer. If this method working or not working, comment section go to comment, and don't forget subscribe and like. If you want more gaming and technical issues videos like this, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.